to take them and to do them to where they're in the journal like this, and they're pages, so you can flip them. Pretty much the same thing they were, just different use. So if you don't have these, don't go out and buy it, guys. Don't buy it. I'm gonna show you how to do them. I also came up with the idea to do this one. I'm gonna put a little button string on it, possibly, but I came up with this while I was trying to figure out exactly how to show you how to do the other one. So we're gonna make a couple of those and actually use them in the journal. But first, I want to show you how to make this one or something similar. We're going to put this guy up to dry. Okay. So what I did was I scored at 3 3/4. So take just a normal piece of, this is just scrapbook paper. It's just 8.5 by 11 scrapbook paper, and score it at 3 3/4 and fold it over. And then I take the line here on the paper and I put it on a line, not where the score line, but the actual nub that sticks out. So that way I'm actually scoring past where the paper is. Oops. That'll work. Okay. And we're just going to fold it up. And, whoops, this way. And we just fold it up like that. And then we want to figure out how long we want our little flap to come down. Well, let's glue it first, shall we? Yes, yes, we shall. So let's just take a little bit of glue. No, 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 not yet. Don't glue it yet. Don't listen to me. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to figure out our flap, where we want our flap to be. And I'm gonna say we want our flap to be about 2 inches. They're around about 2 inches. And just give it a good burnish down. And give your side a good burnish down. Okay. And then we're gonna unfold it. Here's our flap. We're gonna cut out, oops, this and this, and cut it on this side of the score line. Try to cut straight. And this one I'm going to cut on this side of the score line, just ever so slightly. Just, you want to cut out the line. You're not trying to make it actually take any of the paper away. You just want to cut out that score line. Okay, so there is our little pocket. Now we have to figure out this little flappy deal down here. So let's just say we're going to make this one a little bit longer, because why not? We're just going to fold it up about 1 inch. And we're going to take out, again, actually, we're just going to take out this square. And we're going to cut on this side of the score line and this side of the score line. Okay. And we're going to take a little bit of glue. We're going to go in here, and we're going to get right up next to the edge, all the way down here. So it folds nicely. And we're going to get upright. Get up along both edges. There we go. And for these two down here, we're just going to glue them shut. Oh my. And we'll just clean him up a little bit. Make this our little flap for adding to a journal to make a little flip. And then we'll just round the corners on this guy. And that'll be it. Like I said, you can use button string closure, use thicker cardstock, you can use Velcro dots. You put a little punch in there so it has a little thumb notch, but it's just basically a coin envelope that's not folded up. Okay, now this one that I made here, we're going to do this one real quick, and it's basically the exact same thing. We're just going to fold him down. And we're going to lose make sure it's straight. We're going to lose this and this here. I'm going to come down again below our score line. I'm going to cut over. And I'm going to come in here and I'm going to lose this score line here. We're going to cut out just a tiny little bit because I angled the other one, so we're going to angle this one. That's not the right angle. And here we go. Nip it away till you have nothing left. That'll work. Good enough. Okay, the only difference in this one is that you want to leave this flap so it can tuck in your page. So it is your page tuck. So that way it flips out that way. But we're going to just glue him down here and across here, and then he'll be set. So that's how you do that. Okay, now back to what we were doing.